Cracking the Cultural Code, Idioms Across Borders. Hello learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving deep into a fascinating topic: cultural context and variations of idiomatic expressions. We are going to explore how idioms vary across cultures, the meanings behind them, and how you can use them effectively. So buckle up for an exciting journey into the world of idioms. Before we go further, let's clarify what idioms are. Idioms are expressions whose meanings are not deducible from the literal definitions and arrangement of its parts, but refer instead to figurative or symbolic meanings understood by native speakers. They add color and depth to language, making conversations more lively and interesting. For example, break a leg doesn't literally mean to break your leg. In English-speaking cultures, it's actually a way to wish someone good luck without jinxing it. Now, let's delve into the crux of the matter: cultural context. The meanings of idioms are often deeply tied to the cultures they originate from. They can reference historical events, cultural practices, or common experiences within a particular group. For instance, the idiom, to bite the bullet, meaning to face a painful situation bravely, originates from the old practice of having soldiers bite on a bullet during surgery to cope with the pain. Understanding this historical context helps us appreciate the full richness of the idiom. Idiomatic expressions can vary quite a bit across cultures, even though they might convey similar ideas. An idiom that exists in one language may have an equivalent in another, but the literal translation might seem bizarre. Take for example the English idiom, "It's raining cats and dogs," meaning it's raining heavily. In Spanish, the equivalent idiom is "Está lloviendo a cantares," which translates literally to "It's raining jugs." Using idiomatic expressions can make your English sound more natural and fluent. But remember, context is everything. Keep in mind these two tips. 1. Understand the context. Idioms are often used in informal conversations and are typically inappropriate in formal or academic settings. 2. Practice makes perfect. Try using idioms in your daily conversations or writings, and get feedback from native speakers if possible. And there you have it. We've gone on a whirlwind tour of idiomatic expressions and their cultural contexts. Remember, understanding and using idioms effectively can really take your English to the next level. But also respect the cultural nuances they carry. As you continue to learn and grow in your language journey, don't be afraid to throw your hat in the ring and experiment with idioms. Keep practicing, stay curious, and we'll see you in our next video. Happy learning!